Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video, we're gonna see 3 best ways to recover deleted videos from your Android device. So without any delay, let's get started. The best and the easiest way to recover your deleted videos is recycle bin. You can easily find the recycle bin in your gallery. If you want to see the recycle bin in your Samsung device, then first of all open gallery and tap on this menu button, and there you will get the option of recycle bin. Select the photo and videos you want to restore and simply tap on restore. Recycle bin keeps photos and videos for 30 days, so you can easily recover it within 30 days. The next way is the Google backup. You can easily restore photos and videos from the Google Photos, and this is the best way to keep your data safe. The Google Photos can even keep your lifetime data, but if you are not active for more than 2 years, then you won't find anything. Now if you deleted your video from Google Photos too, then go to library and go to bin, and here you will find the deleted data of yours for last 30 days. Last way to recover your data are the third-party applications, which we won't recommend at all. But if you want to know about that, then we already made a video on this, then you can easily check it on the official YouTube page of Gossipfunda. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.